Today's adventure? The Richland Winter Wonderland! Hi, Tri-Cities! Hi, Tri-Cities! Hi! Today I am on the Hapo community stage. And I'm out here a little bit early because tonight is going to be a busy night full of holiday activities. Starting the first weekend of December and every Friday and Saturday leading up to Christmas is the Winter Wonderland in Richland. Kicking things off is the Hapo's Festival of Lights, where they have a tree lighting ceremony and light up the whole John Dam Plaza. There you can also pick up free cocoa to help keep you warm by the fires, tended to by the Boy Scouts of America. And grab yourself some kettle corn and boogie down to the holiday music under the light show. That is, until it's time to move on down to the lighted boat parade, sponsored by the Clover Island Yacht Club. Don't forget to stop by the big man and say hi. The one in red. You can catch the show anywhere along the Columbia River between Clover Island and the dock landing at Howard Amen. But if you're making your way from the plaza to the park, be sure to make another cocoa stop at the gallery at the park. And maybe shop for the art lover in your life too. Hint, hint, I love anything with a splash of color. But if you want to have fun and stay inside during the Winter Wonderland, can't blame you, it's cold outside. You can head over to the Richland Community Center and watch a holiday movie with some popcorn and some more cocoa, or play bingo, make crafts, watch musical entertainment, enjoy a massively detailed model train. Seriously, I spent a really long time and had way too much fun looking at everything in it. And there is so much more. So, kick off the holidays with the Winter Wonderland. Now stay warm and happy holidays. And until next time, I'll see you out there. And I'm gonna go get some more cocoa because you cannot be full up on cocoa. It's not a thing. No. Bye. Hi Tri-Cities! Thanks for watching! Bump that thumbs up if you enjoyed it, that helps me know what you like to see, and subscribe to stay up on future adventures. I do have many adventures planned, but if you have something in particular you'd like me to cover, please leave it in a comment down below. I also do videos between adventures, so check out the rest of my channel. And in the meantime, I'll see you out there.